Good morning, YouTube friends, and here we are again into our mulberry tree that we planted right into this large pot, like in front of the house. And I gave you like a first update for 2023 fruit season, and that was 2 days ago, January 29, and today is first day of the month of February. Ah, yeah, January 29. That was our first update to this when I started plucking off the dried leaves and then giving you some other thoughts about here. And today is our second update to this mulberry tree. And look at that. The tiny bulb form. These are the new branches that will develop into 2 weeks time, and with that branch there will be that clusters of fruits that will come out as well, and the leaves of course. So as you can imagine, we have these like maybe hundreds of twigs that we have here, and each twigs, it's we have this like 2 3 4 tiny bulb form that will develop into new branches with flowers and fruits in it. And see how lots of that we have here. And YouTube friends, this is gonna be exciting. Yeah, this is gonna be exciting. So in 2 weeks time, I think I could have like a um like I'll be responsible, and I'll be like responsible in giving you some progress to this mulberry tree. And I promise you, in the last season, 2022, that I have to like air layer this or do marketing to this mulberry tree. But I don't have much time to do that in the garden. As a matter of fact, I like kind of abandoned our garden enclosure because I did have training with my students who competed to the national level for impromptu speech competition. So I don't have much time, but I think I can get back to the garden because after the final exam, I'm all free. I'll have to report to school, but we don't have much work there. And I think we have 1 month vacation during April, so I can work out a lot of changes here in the garden, and of course cleaning this one completely and putting a lot of pots and planting more vegetables. But let's go back here. So this is gonna be exciting because in the next days, in the next update, we will be seeing progress to this tiny bulb form of new branches that are forming, and they're about to give us flowers and fruits all together. And stay tuned, stay with us, and follow the progress of this mulberry tree, because of this type of mulberry, Himalayan mulberry, it's really hard to like prune them manually, because this Himalayan mulberry itself has its own timing to when he's going to um, give us the fruit. Unlike the native mulberry here that is really common in Thailand, that whenever the branches are getting mature, you just cut it down, you prune it, then new branches will appear and then will provide you a lot of fruit. But this one, I tried several times. I cut because it's really mature, and what happened? The plants died. And on the other time, there were huge branches, but there was no fruit in it. So I just let this guy like die naturally with all the leaves, and then provide us another bunch of fruits. So this is gonna be the first fruiting season for 2023, and I think we'll just have to count another 3 months, and then this will give us another sets of fruits. So after this season, perhaps that will be summertime. So I make sure that I can spend time here, like doing marketing or earlying, so that we can reproduce this Himalayan mulberry. Who knows? My wife and I will be back to my country, and then we can bring some of these branches and we can reproduce there. Because in my country, Philippines, a tiny plant of Himalayan mulberry there costs around 1,000 peso. So you can really make business here if you know how to do that. So thank you once again, YouTube friends. Happy February. Okay, today first day of February 2023. So that is all for today. See you in the next. Bye.